Hi, this is Jordan Amps, and I'm with a couple of friends today. We're going to build is it a mob arena or not? A mob arena. It, are you both going to introduce yourself? Dad one. So, bleh. Okay, and today we're going to do this mob arena. Yeah. Alex is the co-owner. Hold on, I've got loads of stuff in inventory. Yeah. Cody's the co-owner. And now we're going to build this mob arena. So let's get doing it. And I just fell in water. Okay, we've just finished the outline. That's the outline. Right, now we need one more layer up it, don't we? Well, do we need one more layer or not? What's the number for it? What's the number for stone bricks? Hey, what's the number for stone bricks? What? What's the number for stone bricks? Alex. Who just did that then? Huh? All I need to know. What number stone bricks? What's the number for stone bricks? And I'll do this. In a minute, I'm just gonna leave this because I don't even know what is the number for stone brick. Oh, poo. Bleh. Well, give me the number for stone bricks then. I'm just gonna do it legit then. You got that side. How awful things got that side. Who's gonna pigs? Hey, if I put my music on, can you hear it? Did you hear it then? How do I get it to run through my earphones and out the computer at the same time? Oh, you got in my way. Seems legit. Alright, I'm just gonna go try to figure that out. All I need to go. Yeah. Let's shuffle. Did you just hear that? Did you hear that? What about now?
I can hear that.
Huh?
Shut up for filming.
Shut up.
Use world edit, it'll make it higher.
I don't know the number of stone bricks.
I do.
What is it?
43.
43? No. We started it now. Cody, move out the way. Cody, move. Oops. That looks pretty... no. Hold up. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. Oh my god. I'm just gonna go to the NPC village. Don't we need to do the like corners legit? Because they won't work, will they? Oops. Why did you put it cobblestone? Do mossy cobblestone then. Yeah. Nah, mossy cobblestone looks better. You do that whole corner again. Oops. I knew that. God. I'm ready for you. Ooh. Yeah, but if we make it into a square and then like let it like go into a square, make it into a tower coming out like a castle sort of thing, so people will sit in the tower watching it. Hey.
All I need was we all need. Okay. What's the number for mossy cobble?
Hello. Oh, by the way, if you want to see the videos, you can go to my YouTube channel, Jordan.abs. I'm gonna go to it. We've only got like 20 more minutes left, I think. 2 more minutes, I don't know, whatever.
Oh. I can't wait to get in. It'll be epic. I'm gonna use my super pickaxe. Why do you like that song so much? It's a gay song.
Oh my god, guess what?
What?
My video has got 1 view.
Hello, this is Jordan.
Oh god. That's what I did with you, Alex.
And who's the viewer of that?
My mate, Ben Sutton. Got to admit that I had this YouTube channel for very long, so it's still building up. You know what I mean?
What are you doing that for? You can just turn it into cobblestone. How do you get super pickaxe? That makes it like blow